Why us? All right. Why are we qualified to even be involved in this conversation? Well, number one, we actually focus, okay? And our focus is on the roofing industry, okay? We're a drone service provider, but we solely focus on roofing and nothing else, okay? Why? Because we know there is massive opportunity in the risk reduction, and it also increases the efficiency for those roofing companies we work with. So you're able to have less risk and be a lot more efficient and get more houses done and ultimately generate more revenue. Okay. So we are very, very early on the adoption curve. Okay. The amount of roofing companies who are actually using good drones is very low. And the ones who are using a good drone are not nearly using it as effectively or as much as they should be. So we're very early in the adoption curve. We like this industry. This is where we think we have a lot of potential. So that's why we're here and why we're super qualified to help you guys in the roofing sphere. So we also built and instruct for the drone program at Francis Tuttle Institute of Technology in Oklahoma City. There's 4 different campuses, and we have an absolute state-of-the-art cutting-edge drone program where we are teaching the next generation of drone pilots. So yeah, we definitely are on the cutting edge and we know how to do this. We also worked with surveyors and engineers and architects using LiDAR. And that's really what our specialty used to be back in the day until we transitioned over to the roofing industry. So if we can use LiDAR, which is known for being extremely precise, and we can work with surveyors and engineers and doing critical infrastructure and things like that, I'm pretty sure we can find some hail on some roofs, okay? So here's us at the Oklahoma State Capitol, talking to legislators. This is my team right here. We also were the keynote speakers back in March for the Oklahoma Pipeliners Association. This is a 3D model we generated of a roof here in Oklahoma City. This is a very large school and we generated a full 3D model of it. This is a thermal capture, so we do thermal as well. This is a report we generated for that school. This is a hotel we did. And yeah, so obviously we are on the cutting edge and we definitely know how to do these different things. We are also a team of 5 Army veterans, which I think is a really cool thing, and it really goes to showcase that we do have a lot of character and a lot of integrity, and we know what it takes to get stuff done, right? So these are my soldiers down at Fort Hood. This is us at JRTC. This was me in Iraq. This is in Guantanamo Bay back in 2015. This is me in Kuwait, my last deployment in 2018. We handled the customs operation for Iraq, Syria, Afghanistan, as well as Kuwait. My job over there was the NCOIC of the sterile lot and wash rack. I essentially coordinated and managed the transfer of billions of dollars of equipment from overseas back to the US. And then on another part of the deployment, I was in charge of the PAX terminal, in which case I managed the clearance of 30,000 DoD civilians, contractors, and military service members to get transported back home. So if you were deployed overseas from 2017 to 2018, you very likely met me. So obviously we're very qualified in that part. We also are a part of ORCA, the Oklahoma Roofing Contra Association, BBB, BNI. We do a lot of STEM events. We're on the board of directors for the Kiwanis Club. We also support the Down Syndrome Association for Central Oklahoma. We've also been on the news 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times in the last 3 months. So we're very much respecting the community and we're very involved in local outreach. We've also worked with dozens of different roofing companies. We have hundreds of pilots. We've done thousands of inspections. So yeah, the whole point here is I just want to make it very clear. We are absolutely qualified and able to help you in whatever sort of issues or operations that you need here. So we're very qualified, guys.